Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Belkin WeMo devices to latest firmware. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Belkin WeMo device is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the WeMo app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your WeMo account. If prompted, update the WeMo app to the latest version available in your device's app store. Once in the app, locate the device you wish to update. Tap on the device to access its settings. Look for an option labeled Firmware Update or Update Firmware. If a firmware update is available, you will see a notification or a prompt on this screen. Select the option to initiate the update process. Follow any on-screen instructions to proceed with the update. Ensure your device remains powered on and connected to the Wi-Fi during the update process. The update may take several minutes to complete. Once finished, the app will notify you that the firmware has been successfully updated. You can check the device settings again to confirm the firmware version has been updated. If you do not see an update available, your firmware may already be current. For multiple devices, repeat these steps for each WeMo device you own. After all updates are complete, restart the WeMo app to refresh the device list. The firmware update process enhances your device's performance and security. You are now ready to use your newly updated Belkin WeMo devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.